Oil will stay above 100 million barrels per day beyond 2040, increasingly used not just for mobility, but more and more for materials and petrochemicals. This all adds up to something far more complex than a single-path energy transition. What we're talking about here is reinforcement, not replacement. And we need to free up dormant capital that is tied up with growth. And on this particular point, tune out the noise, track the signal. And the signal, my dear colleagues, is telling us that near-term uncertainty is real, while long-term demand remains very strong. It is telling us to balance cost discipline with capital investment. Stay laser-focused on efficiency while investing in people, technology, and AI. In short, while we may face headwinds in the months ahead, the long-term outlook shows demand growth for every form of energy across every market. Policies should be based on insight, not idea. Gas provides more than a quarter of the baseload power required by data centers. And a shortage of gas turbines is turning a supply crunch into a choke point that is pushing electricity prices higher. We mark UAE Flag Day, a moment of our leadership and the debt we owe to all. Through our international investment arm, XRG, we have closed gas deals in Mozambique, Egypt, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, and the United States. And we continue to look for more opportunities across the gas value chain.
We're going to have a bit of a lightning round this morning, so I've got about 10.
You know, when it was President Biden and now President Trump and so on. And I think we have announced very clearly, I've spoken in several occasions, if Europe does not really look at how they can water down the CSDD or cancel the CSDD and still have a penalty of 5% of our 5% of our total world turnover as a penalty, we will not be delivering LNG to Europe for sure, 100%.
We're talking about an uncertain world. We're talking about politics.
And I think all of what we are seeing is more demand. We just did not quantify how much is the additional requirement for power going to demand from gas, going to demand from oil. And keep in mind, part of the gas is associated. So we will have to produce those barrels in order to get the gas.
Thank you, sir.